Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to add and customize a line element here on the Wix Harmony Editor. Let's get started. Go to the Add button here on the top left. On the search bar, type in line and hit enter. Relevant results will show up and simply select the line element you'd like to add by clicking on it. Say for example this one. Once you click on it, it'll automatically be added to your page. Position it wherever you want to place it. And in order to customize your line element, select it, and on the action bar above, go to All Design Options. And from here, you can change your line's color. Say, for example, this one. You can also change its appearance, so you can adjust its type. So you can choose solid, dashes, dots, etc. You can also add a shape on its end, like a square, for example, or a circle. And apart from that, depending on what kind of line you selected, you can adjust settings here according to your preferences. So go ahead and customize your line element however you want to using the tools on this small window. And once you're done, you can simply close this window and your changes will automatically be saved on the Wix Harmony Editor. And that's all for today. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.